life, everybody. Welcome to life, everybody. So, obviously, that's one right there. But today, we'll be figuring out where all of the ducks are. Well, I already know. I'll just be telling you guys where all the ducks are. And just to let you guys know, there's exactly 20 ducks. As you saw that one in factories. But here, there's also one in Snobby. I forgot the name for a second, but there's one in Snobby. Just watch where I go. It's in this. It's in one of the houses. I was just trying to find it because I found it the first time, but I'll just try to find it. I'm like, where is it at? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in that. Yeah. So, what I want to say is that ducks. Did you guys notice that ducks are usually where water is, where water would be, or where water was? Well, there's one here too. Because it's in the water, as you can see. First of all, I'm just gonna dance real quick. Yeah, I lived this time, so I know what's gonna happen. Oh yeah. Hello. There's also one in Loot Lake, guys. It's like right in the corner. You see that bridge, that little bridge there? Yeah, it's behind the boat. Trust me, it took me a long time to find it. I had to break a lot of things. Trust me. I just left that guy there, but yeah, right there. Okay, guys. You know how there's 10, by the way? You know, I'm just talking while I'm just showing this, but I only show like 6 or 4, I believe. 4. But there's 20. And I did complete the challenge, just telling you when the recording. But you need 10 to complete the challenge, so just so you guys know. It's bad. Yeah. It's in the bathroom. The bathtub. I just start dancing and I don't know what's wrong with me. I got issues. Yeah. Okay, there's 2 in retail. I'll be showing that right now. There you go. Okay, well those are the other ones I didn't show. Well, see you later, everybody.